Hi everyone, we're Justin, Kai, Gina, Tiffany, Andrew, and Gracia from Group 1, and for the term project, we chose Netflix as our topic. To start the analysis of Netflix business, we need to know first what Netflix currently doing. Netflix is enhancing a new title as unveiling our innovative new TV experience featuring enhanced design, responsive recommendations, and a new way to search, coming with a simpler, easier, and intuitive design to help the members easily find something great to watch. There are some new features that Netflix members can expect, such as next great watch more easily, more visible shortcuts, better real-time recommendations, and elevated design. Next, Netflix company history. Netflix is a media company based in Los Gatos, California, founded in 1997 by American entrepreneurs Reed Hastings and Mark Randolph. From 1997 to 2012, they launched a DVD rental to only focus on their original content. By 2023, Netflix owned 3,600 original titles, and by 2024, they began to do live streaming for World Wrestling Entertainment. Next, Netflix vision, mission, and value. Netflix vision is becoming the best global entertainment distribution services. All the improvements are engaging and attractive to all of the customers. This includes creating original concepts that are exclusive to only the subscribers of the Netflix. Netflix mission is to entertain the world. They commit to deliver positive experiences by creating premium video content and delivering exceptional entertainment services. Next, the core value Netflix wants to deliver to its customers are the essential communication, integrity, courage, innovation, selflessness, inclusion, and impact they give to the customers or subscribers. Next, Netflix organizational structure and management team. Netflix made their organizational structure as a hierarchical structure. The company minimized levels of middle management. This way, all of the information status will inform directly from the executive to the CEO. The main characteristic of Netflix corporate structure, such as functional group for online and non-online operations, geographical division for managing regional markets, and divisions for various product types and operation types. This is the organizational structure. Next is Netflix portfolios. Other than give online streaming services, Netflix uses sophisticated algorithms that help them gather information about the users, past online activities as a marketing strategy. Different subscription plans are available with different video qualities. This strategy helped Netflix to gain revenue of $20,156 million in 2019 and $39 million in 2024. Therefore, Netflix financial statement is increases through the year. Netflix gross profit from 2019 to 2023 has increased from 7,716 billion to 14,000 billion, and it affected Netflix share price to increase over the years.
Hello everyone, I'm Andrew from Group 1. Now I'll talk about macro-environment analysis of Netflix. First, technological factors. There are recommended algorithm, behavioral analytics and adaptability, and lastly, machine learning. Second, social-cultural factors. There are global and diverse audience, unique and dynamic tastes, engagement and retention. Lastly, legal factors. European content quota, and potential responses to regulatory change. Next, I'd like to talk about industry value chain of Netflix. The upstream, content developers and producers, talent, core, their content storage and management, marketing and sales, and service. The downstream, customers or subscribers, and Internet Service Providers, also known as ISPs. Next, I'll talk about competitor analysis. The market commonality with Netflix, Amazon Prime Video is very high, Disney Plus is high, HBO Max is moderate to high, and Apple TV and YouTube is just moderate. Resource similarity with Netflix. Amazon Prime Video is very high. Disney and HBO Max is high. Apple TV is moderate to high. YouTube is high in tech but low in content. Next, competitive dynamics, action versus responses. Heavy investment in Netflix original. Disney, Amazon and HBO does the same. Launch ad-supported subscription tier. Disney Plus and HBO does the same too. Crackdown password. Disney does it too. Expansion into mobile gaming. Amazon and YouTube follow through. And global content localization. Everyone follows. Next, I'd like to talk about industry analysis 5 force on Netflix. However, I'm just going to take 3 of them. Industry rivalry, very high impact. Low to moderate cost for subscribers. Presence of major competitors. Need for differentiation through exclusive content. And global expansion. Next, bargaining of suppliers, high impact. Content suppliers and high differentiation of content. Next, threat of substitutes, moderate impact, movie theaters, free contents or other forms of entertainment. Next, industry life cycle. As VOD industry is entering maturity phase, market growth slows, indicates a shift from rapid expansion to steady moderate growth. Lastly, I'd like to talk about the 4 Ps. First, position. Netflix leads the industry with 302 million subscribers with diverse original content. Second, priority. Netflix expand monetization through ad-supported plans. Third, posture. Netflix takes a proactive, aggressive stance, constantly evolving to outpace competitors. Lastly, profit potential. Netflix scales efficiency and global reach position for sustained long-term profitability. Thank you.
Organizational structure and development of Netflix. In the past 3 to 5 years, Netflix has maintained a centralized functional structure with departments like content, tech, and marketing. It balances global direction with global execution to regional teams in markets like South Korea and India. Leadership is shared by 2 co-CEOs that Sarandos focus on content and operation, and Greg Peters focus on product and strategy, highlighting Netflix's dual focus on creativity and innovation. Content and strategy. Netflix has shifted from content distributor to global studio, investing around $17 million annually in original and local language production. This approach strengthens its content library and attracts diverse audiences worldwide. Tech and platform development. The company invests heavily in AI and engineering to enhance personalization and streaming performances. Its platform supports nearly all devices, and Netflix continues to explore games and interactive content. Value activities system. Netflix core function, content creation, technology, marketing, and customer service work together across regions to deliver a seamless, personalized viewing experience. Key resources and interrelation. Key resources such as content, tech, data, and talent support major activities like production and user engagement. Customer relationships are built through personalization, flexible pricing, and 24/7 global support via its app, site, and digital channels. Resources and print analysis. Tangible assets include its original content and streaming infrastructure. Intangible strengths include its global brand, user data, and skilled teams. These resources are valuable, rare, and hard to imitate, and non-substitutable, giving Netflix long-term competitive advantage.
Hello, my name is Kai. Now we're moving on to the core competencies and complementary assets of Netflix. Beyond technological innovation, Netflix core competencies include producing original content and offering a global platform accessible in multiple local languages and cultures. To support these competencies, Netflix relies on complementary assets such as strong partnerships with companies like Paramount and Sony Pictures. In addition, they need a superior technological infrastructure to deliver high-quality streaming experiences to users worldwide. Over the past few years, Netflix has shown outstanding dynamic capabilities, which is the ability to adapt, reshape, and reconfigure in the fast-changing world by shifting its focus to original content like Squid Game and Wednesday. Netflix reduced its reliance on licensed shows and built a stronger global brand. It also embraced local tastes, producing region-specific hits in Korea and India. On business side, Netflix launched an ad-supported tier and a paid sharing model to address market overload. Technologically, it pushed innovations like interactive films, mobile gaming, and advanced recommendation systems. Even organizationally, it adapted smoothly to hybrid work and leadership changes. All these moves highlights Netflix's ongoing strength in staying competitive in the evolving streaming industry.
In vertical integration, there was asset-specific transaction frequency and transaction uncertainty. In asset-specific, Netflix invests heavily in original content like Stranger Things and Crown. Another asset was Netflix has content production. In transaction frequency, Netflix has continuously licensed, produced, and streamed a large volume of content and high frequency. In transaction uncertainty, Netflix has market trend, IP right, and regulation landscape, introduced volatility. Netflix also has external content providers may change licensing term or withhold popular show. This is conclusion based on the 3C factor. In horizontal or product diversification, there was market perspective and supply chain perspective. Market perspective means this evaluation whether the diversified market serves similar customer need or demographic, share brand apple apply, or offer cross-selling potential. In market perspective, there was gaming and merchandise. Supply chain perspective means this evaluation whether the diversified operation share input capabilities, infrastructure, or distribution system. In supply chain perspective, there was vertical integration in content production and IP control and cross-use.
My name is Tiffany. Now I will explain about synergy generation through lens of core competencies and complementary assets. Firstly, there is economy of scope. Costs are revenue advantage from producing a variety of related products using shared resources. There's the core competencies with algorithms become more powerful with scale. The assets with studies are leveraged more efficiently. Second, there's the economies of scale. Cost advantage gained by increasing production volume, spreading fixed cost of more output. The core competencies with global promotion support multiple business lines. The assets with brand equity used across formats with minimal duplication. Third, there's learning curve effects. Efficiency and capability improvement gained through accumulated experience over time. The core competencies with better forecasting to improve extended compass. The assets with technology platforms become more effective and customized with experience. Next, there's geographical expansion. Firstly, there's corporate social responsibility. There are 4 kinds, which is the first is net zero emission. Second, equity, inclusion, and programs. Third is creative development and education. Fourth was stories that reflect diverse voice. Second, educational for sustainable development. Educational, documentaries, and programming. The second one was partnership with school and non-profits. The third was sustainable development goals. There are 3 goals. Firstly, there's goal 5, which is gender equality. Goal 10, reduce inequality. Goal 13 is climate action. Next, there is future challenge and suggestion. The challenge is firstly, this intensifying competition. Second, content saturation. Third, regulatory hurdles. Fourth, market saturation. The suggestion is firstly, innovation in content. Second, diversification. Third, localization. The last one was strategic partnership. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.